We're still on lists, but you'll notice that I've rewound back to this while loops because I wanted to quickly use the idea from this one where I did an append. So I can do the same thing here. I want to end up with a list of ID numbers. So I'm going to start with an empty list of ID numbers. So ID numbers, note the plural, and it's an empty list. So the two square brackets show that it's a list, but there's nothing inside that list. So I'm going to ask what the ID number is, and then I'm going to say ID numbers dot append, and I'm going to append this ID number, singular. Cool. And I've got print thank you at the end, but let's just print out the whole list in one go. We're allowed to do this. We don't have to iterate through the list. We can just print out the list and it will show it with the brackets and so on. So if I hit play on that, what is the ID number? 5953, and then -1 to finish, and 5953 -1. Oh dear, I accidentally put the append. So it's appended the -1. So of course it would be very simple to do something around this if statement so it didn't append the -1 onto that list. But you get the idea. We started with an empty list, this one here, and we've appended each item in turn as we went along.